In the 1930s, Tesla began conducting experiments on the energy properties of pyramids. He built a miniature pyramid out of paper and wire and placed it under a beam of charged particles. To his surprise, the pyramid began to glow, even though it wasn't connected to a power source. He believed that the pyramid was drawing energy from the Earth's magnetic field. This experiment led Tesla to believe that the pyramids could be used to harness and amplify natural energy sources, such as the sun and the Earth's magnetic field. He mapped these energy fields after research into the inner workings of the pyramids, and before it was fully discovered, Tesla knew there would likely be pyramids all over the Earth. In essential, Nikola Tesla knew the true purpose of the ancient pyramids. Tesla was also fascinated with the Great Pyramids of Giza and believed they had a secret to unlocking free energy. He thought the pyramids could be used as giant power plants to generate electricity and run machines. His theory was based on the fact that the pyramids were made of conductive materials, which could transmit energy. Now the question might arise, why did the Egyptians build these structures? For what purpose and how? And what was the extent of advancement of Egyptian technology? Well, to answer this, we have to look into the various mysteries of pyramids lurking around them. The ancient Egyptians used two constellations, the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, to align their pyramids in a north-south direction. This alignment is extremely accurate, as the north-south positions are within a precision of up to 0.05 degrees, even though the alignment of stars is constantly changing at a prolonged rate. The Great Pyramid of Giza is perfectly aligned along with the cardinal points north, south, east, and west, even though Egyptians did not have access to a compass. How? The Great Pyramid of Giza can tell the hour through the reflection of its shadow. Even today, many scholars and Egyptologists from all over the world for more than 3,000 years have not been able to fully discover how the pyramids were built, which explains why it is one of the true 7 wonders of the ancient world. Over the years, many experts have tried to understand its significance. How these big structures were made at a time when we knew they didn't have any technology. How such heavy bricks were brought from more than 600 miles away place, and lifting these required a lot of manual labor. In the Khufu's pyramid, the stone sarcophagus is broken, but the real mystery isn't that there wasn't a body found here, but rather that Khufu's body hasn't been found anywhere. In 2020, researchers from Leeds University constructed a robot to explore the shafts and uncover their purpose. The robot navigated 60 meters of one shaft, capturing 9 hours of video, and discovered a small chamber with intricate symbols beyond a large stone. Rob Richardson, professor of robotics, suggested the shaft's purpose was more significant than an air vent, though its exact role remains unknown. Technologies like ground-penetrating radar (GPR) and muon tomography have been used to detect voids within the Great Pyramid. The Scan Pyramids project announced the discovery of a large void above the Grand Gallery in 2017, whose purpose remains unknown. The most interesting thing you'll find is the golden ratio and pi used all over the place, and the ratios of height to width, and many other measurements in the Great Pyramid. But both of those numbers are supposed to have been discovered only recently in 1706, while the date for the construction of the Great Pyramid is 5,000 years ago. As legend has it, there is an ancient curse associated with the mummies and tombs of the Egyptian pharaohs. Disturbing these embalmed remains has been said to bring bad luck, illness, and death. Some symbols and inscriptions, particularly those in less accessible areas in the pyramids, remain undeciphered or controversial, contributing to ongoing research and interpretation efforts. As technology advances and discoveries are made, the pyramids will undoubtedly continue to reveal their secrets, offering deeper insights into the ancient world and preserving their status as enduring symbols of human curiosity and achievement.